Conservation Biology and Biodiversity program gives students a really unique opportunity to learn about some of the organismal features in their environment, as well as how that affects the ever-changing ecosystem in the GTA. My name is Stephen Grabinski, and I am in Conservation Biology and Biodiversity. In my first year, I took Evolution in Bio-AO1 and Ecology in Bio-AO2, and I felt really passionate about those concepts. I also found that the instructors for those concepts were very passionate about that, and I really enjoyed that and found that interesting, and I thought it was something I would like. And then I applied for first year rep for Biosa, and when I got that position I saw other biology students like myself who were also very passionate and interested in the fields that they were pursuing, and I thought that that was something I would really like to do.
My name is Sarah Aman, and I'm in my second year of study in the Conservation and Biodiversity program at UTSC. Today, we're in the Bio B52 Ecology and Evolutionary Biology Laboratory, and we are exploring species differences in order to construct a phylogenetic tree. This will help us understand the relatedness between different organisms. Aside from our labs, one of the things I most enjoy about this course are the outdoor field experiments we participate in. In our first lab, we collected different types of bugs and looked at the species diversity across campus. It's really refreshing to get out of the classroom and into nature and get our hands dirty working with different live organisms.
My name is Gabrielle Besessar. I'm a third year student here at UTSC in the Conservation and Biodiversity program. So we are doing quadrant sampling here today in the Highland Creek Ravine in order to sample species diversity with the attempt to find evidence for the intermediate disturbance hypothesis. So the kinds of things that we learn in this course are measurement, sampling, and analysis. So this course is a lot more different than other bio courses I've taken at UTSC, just because you're actually out in the field and you're actually doing field work, hands-on things, you're sampling, experimenting, and it's nice because you get a lot of one-on-one with the professor while being outside and actually getting your hands dirty.
My name is Lockton Poon. I'm a fourth year at UTSC and I'm in the Conservation and Biodiversity program.
Today we're at the Royal Ontario Museum and we're getting a behind-the-scenes look at the numerous bird collections found here. And there are hundreds upon thousands of birds preserved here since the 1800s. And we get to look at the numerous bird collections from the birds of paradise and birds found all across Canada.
This course, Ornithology or Bio-D48, involves a lot of work inside and outside the classroom. For example, inside the classroom we learn bird behaviors, taxonomy, and bird physiology. And for outside the classwork, we do a lot of field work, so a lot of bird watching. We perform numerous bird senses. We go on a lot of field trips, for example, to Tommy Thompson Park, to Rosetta McLean's. And also a large portion of the class actually consists of raw bird identification.
So today we're at the Rouge National Urban Park. We're working on part of the deadwood decomposition project, and we're collecting soil samples with soil cores as well as deadwood logs that have been decomposing for 2 years, which we're going to take back to the lab and analyze through biochemical methods as well as just basic molecular biology practices. This project today is helping us understand the insect and fungal colonization of urban deadwood, as well as the decomposition rates of that deadwood in urban parks. And that will help lead us to make better, more informed decisions on public policy regarding urban development.
My name is Menelik Baena. I'm a graduate student in Mark Kadat's lab, and I'm in the Ecology Evolutionary Biology department. Some of the ways that a student could get involved through their courses would be something like a second year level course like the Bio B98, which is like a easy way to get yourself involved with research without too much time commitment. Following that, there are higher level courses like the Bio D95, which would be a way to involve yourself with more literature review based kind of studies of what knowledge is out there on a topic of your choice. And then following that, you could get yourself involved with your own project with a supervisor kind of giving you direction with the directed research course or called the Bio D98. And that's a really great way to really have control of a small undergrad thesis of your own. My green roof project that I did for my Bio D98 involved the measurement of ecosystem services that were provided by green roofs, specifically towards stormwater management. And this was done by measuring the changes in soil moisture within the green roof modules and also by measuring the actual weight of the modules over a period of time under different watering regimes.
The graduates of our conservation and biodiversity programs have lots of employment options. They can go in all levels of the government, for example, work for Parks Canada, the Ministry of Natural Resources, or Toronto and Region Conservation Authority. They can also choose to go into consulting and become policymakers. However, a lot of our graduates actually take the academic pathway and become researchers and scientists. So regardless where our graduates choose to work, our programs give them lots of transferable skills. For example, scientific literacy, critical thinking skills, and our graduates will become excellent communicators. Now, even if our graduates will end up working outside the field of biology, let's say, for example, as lawyers, as educators, and physicians, and any other productive member of our society, our program gives them a deep understanding for how the world around us works.